Hey guys, this is Carrick with Crazy Gaming, and we are back playing some more Ratchet and Clank. In the last episode, we went to the new planet of Orxon, and we realized that it is so polluted that Ratchet cannot explore there. So, Clank went and got him the magnet boots, and we came back to here, and we met the plumber again, who says he has a turret to destroy ships. So, let's destroy some ships, shall we? Oh, there they are. But, yep, this is all we gotta do. We just gotta shoot the crap out of some ships. It's not that hard of a job to do, but somebody's got to do it. I think we just got hit from the back. But yeah, we just got to watch the radar there at the bottom to make sure that we don't get hit by any of those torpedoes. And yep, just destroy the ships, which we aren't doing too bad of a job of. But yeah, once you whittle them down to less and less ships, they start to get a little bit easier to shoot down. Yep, there we go. We are down to our final ship. Where are we at? There they are. Not much to talk about. It's just a simple shoot the hell out of it and make sure it dies.
Well. Looks like he's good for something after all. Here, take this.
What is it?
It detects underground bolts. My grandfather designed it to suck up loose change on any planet in the galaxy. What a cheap old man he was. Well, see you around sometime.
Since you now own the metal detector, a bolt icon will show up on screen whenever you are near a buried stash of bolts. When equipped, the metal detector will give you signals to indicate your proximity to the buried bolts. The detector plate will always indicate the direction to the bolts. Hold down the circle button to activate the device. As you move closer to the bolts, the rings will become redder and the beeping will become faster. Continue holding down the circle button, and once you are directly over the bolts, the metal detector will suck them out of the ground.
So it's pretty easy. Walk around until you can find some bolts. I won't be doing this too often. If it comes up and there's bolts in the area, I'll definitely pick them up. Well, that's a nice segue. Let's head back to the ship since we're pretty much done here. Actually, alrighty, as we get into the ship, I should probably let you know that I changed our quick select so that the Hydra displacer is now the metal detector. Mainly because we are not going to be using the Hydra displacer as much as we would probably think. By probably think, I mean not at all. But, yep. So, let's hop back into our ship, and let's go back to Orxon. Yeah, got it correct. Alright. Yeah, let's head back, and let's see what Clank can find for us next. So, going back into Clank, and just another subject to talk about. like I discussed in the last video about how much I like anime, and that got me thinking about cosplaying. One of the guys I work with is actually I don't know if you'd call him professional cosplayer, but it's what he does for a living. So I guess that would be a professional cosplayer. But, yeah. So, I've been talking with him about possibly going and cosplaying at some cons or something like that. Yeah, it sounds really cool. I've never done much cosplay. The only cosplay I've ever done, if you can call it cosplay, is kind of dress up like Wolverine whenever I go to Comic-Cons. And, it's fun. I really like it. But, don't do it all that often. I mean, I got a Spider-Man onesie, I got stuff like that, and, yeah, it's fun. But, yeah, I don't know if I do it all the time whenever I go to cons. Because it really gets hot and it gets kind of sweaty in some of the costumes and stuff like that, so yeah, I'd have to be careful what I go as. Make sure I don't kill myself in terms of heat. But yeah. But because I have long hair and I grow facial hair quite a bit, I was a really good Wolverine. And I think I could probably, let's see, what could I be if I do cons? I could be, well, I talked about how much I like FMA Brotherhood. I could probably go as, I've been thinking about going as either Kimley or as Ling, or someone with long, dark hair. That'd be cool. I wouldn't be opposed to that. Oh my god, these things are useless. Oh my god. I'll meet you guys back in there whenever I get, like, all these guys not dead. I don't know if this is the Let's Play curse or whatever, but, yeah, this is really starting to piss me off. Those of you who don't know, the Let's Play curse is basically, you can play really well whenever you aren't on camera. Like, as soon as you get on camera, then you're pretty much trash. You can't play well, and you start to suck at menial tasks. Oh my god. You know what? I'm not going back through. I'm gonna see what the fuss is all about up here, and then go back and get them. I think. Yeah. I'll journey ahead and see what all I need to do, and then I'll cut back to me actually getting there with the bots if I need them. And I do. I need 6 of them. Where are the 6? Yeah, I'll cut back to me getting the bots and getting back up here. Okay, so that actually wasn't as hard as I thought it was. Yeah, I got the 6. I figured out where the 6 were. And you guys are in there. Alrighty. Oh my god. More of this. Oh my god. Okay. talking. Oh my god! Clank, attack him! Holy crap. Oh my god! Seriously? Okay. Attack him. Kill him. Or not. Okay. Whatever. No, no. Follow me. And attack him. Good. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys stop. I don't know why you insist on making my life a loving hell. But if I have to jump over one more pit, slide down one more pipe, or climb one more freaking beanstalk, I'm gonna rip your head off. Yeah, I can't complete the rest of that without it being rated R. If you guys realize what that's from, good on you. If you don't, please don't look it up. Because it's really bad. Or should I say, it's very mad. People who know it get it. Keep attacking. Keep killing everything. Let's see. Follow me. We got the dreaded 6 again. Attack him. This shouldn't take long. Follow me. No, no. I don't want you to attack. I don't want you to enter. Health back. Okay, that works. But, yep. So yeah, if you guys have any cosplay ideas for me, I can grow facial hair pretty well. Nothing thick, but I can get like a shadow going pretty quickly. And yeah, it's pretty fun. Yep. Yeah, if you have any comic book character ideas or anime character ideas, please let me know. I'd like to hear what you guys think. But here's an infobot.
Better not let Ratchet see this one.
Alrighty. So we got an infobot for some new area that Clank doesn't want Ratchet to see. Well, let's get back in the ship and see if we can figure out what this new place is.
What do you have in there?
Gears, metal filings, dust.
You know what I mean. What is it?
I will show you this, but you must promise to stay focused on our missions.
Is it something about Quark?
Cities are full of smog, swamps are full of muck, and tar pits are full of tar. But here at Joe I Resort, the sun shines 24 hours a day. Visitors get a free O2 mask to explore our warm waters. The benign marine life will welcome you to the big blue world under the sea. You can also use our complimentary flippers to partake in speed swimming. So come to Joe I Resort and leave your world and your troubles behind.
July Resort. Pokitaru.
I knew it.
Oh, come on. Switch off your nerd circuits and have some fun. Look, we'll go just long enough to pick up the O2 mask.
Perhaps the extra oxygen will help your brain to function properly.
Yeah, and maybe the salt water will rust your mouth shut.
next time on Let's Play Ratchet and Clank, since we'll be ending it off here, we'll be going to Jawai Resort Pokitaru. And we'll be getting our O2 mask, which will not only help us swim in water, but help us explore the rest of this planet. So, if you guys like this part, like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do, it's up to you. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.